I'm going to show the steps I use to build a WPF .NET app in VS Code. I'll build an app that plays a sound every few minutes. Quick notes about setup. Number 1, I only installed the C# dev kit extension and it installed the other dependencies. Number 2, when connecting my account to the dev kit, I had to restart VS Code before the connect button would respond. Once it did, it opened a dialog window to log in. And number 3, I already had .NET 8.0 installed from using the full IDE. To start a new project, I open a project folder I already created. Then open the terminal to enter the new project command. It's .NET new WPF. This creates the project files and uses the folder name as the project name. Since this is a new project, the dev environment isn't fully loaded yet. To trigger that, I go to Search, open the command palette, and type or select .NET Open Solution. This activates extensions, creates a solution file, and loads the Solution Explorer. The next time the folder is open, VS Code will see the solution file and fully load the environment. I wait until the project name or count is shown in the status bar to indicate the project is fully loaded. I've expanded the Solution Explorer. I'll paste updates to the XAML file and paste changes to the code behind. There is an existing issue in VS Code where the XAML associations show errors in the editor for WPF, but this doesn't cause the build to fail. I'll leave a link to the thread where temporary fixes are discussed. Last, I need to update the CS project file to embed a WAV file that I'm using. You need to turn on autosave here or save files manually before the build. To build the app, I use .NET Run, which builds and runs the project. If I only wanted to build, it's .NET Build. It loaded the app. I skip forward to it playing the wave and resetting the countdown. To close the project, you just close the folder. A few other notes. When you build in VS Code, it produces DLL dependent exe files. Publish is required if you don't want the dependency. This is the command for Windows 64-bit. I'll leave it in the description. VS Code recognizes new CS files as soon as they appear in the project folder. That's for new files created in VS Code and existing files you place in the project folder. If I open a project and the Solution Explorer never loads, I'll check the logs in the Output tab. If I don't see C# in the dropdown, closing and reopening the folder usually resolves the project not loading. I'll also check here for errors if something isn't working, like IntelliSense. And last, I kept getting timeout errors for the shell environment when launching VS Code. I increased the timeout in settings and that seems to have helped.